let's get something straight. AI didn't break education. I think it exposed it. There's a current affairs piece floating around, fascinating, about destroying the university. People sharing like it's some cautionary tale about the dangers of technology. I don't think that's right. I think it's more of a mirror. And sometimes a mirror can reflect stuff that's not very flattering, because when you actually read the thing, you realize AI didn't cause the decay here. It actually made it impossible to ignore. I mean, students are using AI to write papers. Professors, they're using AI to write their slides, their rubrics, sometimes even their grading comments. Administrators, they're slashing budgets and buying shiny AI tools. They're calling this, innovation. Vendors are all selling AI as salvation, and everyone keeps pretending learning, well, it's still happening. That might be the joke. AI didn't break a healthy system. It might have just exposed a hollow one. And that's the part that's hard to sometimes swallow, because it ruins the moral outrage. Students aren't lazy. They're rational, actually. We built a GPA economy. We told them their number determines everything: admissions, scholarships, internships, job prospects, their future, status in society. Every assignment, every exam, every grade is positioned like a potential life-altering event. So of course they'll use whatever tool helps them win. If the game is points, you play for points. I don't know if that's moral crisis. It sounds more like game theory. The study makes something pretty in your face. If a student can outsource the entire assignment to GPT and still get an A, I don't know if that's the student's problem. It might be an assignment design problem. If a professor can replace half their lecture with a model, nothing changes. That's maybe not a professor problem. That's a curriculum problem. And same thing for the university. If a university thinks buying campus-wide chatbot licenses, becoming AI ready, I don't know. That might tell you where the priorities have moved. And spoiler alert there, it's not moving towards real learning. Like I said, it's probably exposed it. Education stopped being about learning a long time ago. It became kind of a badge collection game, like a credential marketplace, some place where you went 4 years just to keep score. We all said it was enlightenment. And now people are shocked students are speed running with AI. Now that AI exists, they're just speed running through it. I don't know. They might have been speed running before AI. AI just accelerated the obvious. So when people say, yeah, we got to keep AI out of the classroom, I don't know. Why? What is the thing you're protecting? Because AI could do the assignment. The assignment wasn't teaching anything worth protecting. If AI can give the lecture wasn't building anything in the first place. And if AI can pass the class wasn't really building judgment, experience, creativity, or real world capability. I don't know if we should be fighting or banning AI. I think we should be fighting about how we're designing learning that AI can't imitate. I don't know, apprenticeships on live problems maybe, or projects that ship into the world, or writing that carries your own voice, your own thinking, your own stakes. Debate, interpretation, decision-making, ambiguity, the stuff that humans actually need to build. In that world, I don't know if AI is a shortcut. It's more of a multiplier. It clears out the boilerplate so students can spend more time actually learning instead of grinding through fake assignments designed to just generate some sort of compliance, not the mastery that we actually want. Universities aren't threatened because AI is too powerful. They feel threatened because the model might be too weak. So maybe this is where this lands. Look, AI didn't break real education. It just revealed how much of what we called education was just GPA farming, a credential game dressed up as a learning model. So now we've all got to take a step back. How do we protect the old system? That could be one thing. Or we could be taking a step back and saying, what does real education look like in a world where AI exists? And what's the value only a human can create? That's got to be the future. And the universities that embrace that will survive. The ones that don't will get exposed.